Hamıya salamlar. Hi everyone. Mənim adım Sevdadır. My name is Sevda and it's time to learn Azerbaijani. So today we're going to go through numbers 1 through 100. I'm going to teach you how to say numbers 1 through 19 and then I'm going to teach you the tens. Also wait until the end of the video because I'm going to give you some useful phrases that you can use with the numbers. So let's get started. Bir, bir. İki, iki. Üç, üç. Dört, dört. Beş, beş. Altı, altı. Yeddi, yeddi. Səkkiz, səkkiz. Doqquz, doqquz. 10. Also, numbers 11 through 19 are not that hard because all you're going to say is 10, 1, 10, 2. So it's going to be easy. So let's go ahead. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14. 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19. Now we're going to learn the tens. So let's go ahead. 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. Now you can use your tens and your ones to make up any numbers. For example, 51, 51, 62, 62. And now it's time for some phrases because you might go to a coffee shop and order 1 coffee or 2 cappuccinos or 3 cups of tea. Or you might need to ask how much something is, or you might even ask how old someone is. Don't know if that's a good idea. So let's say you're at a coffee shop and you would like to get 1 cup of coffee. So all you need to say is bir kofe, bir kofe. You will also say people saying bir dənə kofe, bir dənə kofe. Bir dənə basically means 1 thing of coffee, but you will hear that a whole lot. Bir dənə, 2 dənə, 3 dənə, so get used to it. So you can say bir dənə kofe. Also, if you would like to be super polite, you can say bir dənə kofe, zəhmət olmasa, zəhmət olmasa. Bir dənə kofe, zəhmət olmasa, or bir kofe, zəhmət olmasa, 1 coffee please. Bir kofe, zəhmət olmasa. 2 çay, zəhmət olmasa, 2 cups of tea please. 2 dənə çay, zəhmət olmasa. You can also order it in this way. Bir kofe olar. Can I have 1 coffee? Bir kofe olar. 2 cappuccino olar. 3 dənə çay olar. In Azerbaijan, you might come across a lot of smaller shops or fruit and veggie stands. At my house, and you might need to ask how much something is. So this is how you will say it. Neçəyədir. Neçəyədir. Neçəyədir. Neçəyədir. You can just as easily point to something and say Neçəyədir. Neçəyədir. You can say bu neçəyədir. How much is this? Bu neçəyədir. Or once you learn your fruit and vegetables, you can use them too. Just remember that the noun will come in front of it. So you will say Alma neçəyədir. Alma neçəyədir. How much are apples? Alma neçəyədir. Now listen to my pretend conversation with the seller and see if you can tell me how much the price is. Alma neçəyədir? 2 manat. Did you get that? By the way, manat is the currency in Azerbaijan. Okay, and our last phrase is going to be how old are you? So the formal way to say that will be Neçə yaşınız var? Neçə yaşınız var? Neçə yaşınız var? Neçə yaşınız var? Now listen to my little conversation and see if you can tell what I'm saying. Neçə yaşınız var? 18. Did you get that?
Hey, now you know your numbers 1 through 100. I suggest that you listen to this video a few times to have your numbers down.
Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and let me know down in the comments what kind of videos you would like me to make next. Sağ olun. Bye.